unheated garage. So we got Mr. Buddy heater going to warm the fuel and def up. This to help frickin' warm my coolant up, and we're plugged in. It's a cold one out there today, boys and ladies. But yeah, we'll let this go for an hour. We're gonna let the glow plugs go. What does the truck think it's at? 9. -2. I got a little bit of heat in there. Okay. And here we go, I guess. I don't know how to hold this. Between -17 and -19, but it's supposed to get up to -10. I was hoping. We'll see, I guess. But everything's working good. Just took her slow, kept her in a higher gear, lower gear to keep the RPMs up. But yep. Extremely glad I just had the radiator flushed, or rear coolant flushed.